everybody, my name's Lottie and I hope my story inspires you because I want to tell you how I overcame anxiety and really boosted my confidence so I could be the Lottie I am today. Because you're not alone, there's so many of us out there with the pressures of society, and really the best thing you can do is get your confidence back. So this is what happened to me. Well, my human mum does voluntary work at Chester Zoo and she absolutely loves it. She learns so many different skills and she gets all this pleasure from seeing the animals and how happy they are to see her. So she said to me, why don't you do some voluntary work? There'll be no commitment. If you don't like it, you can jack it in. You can go where you want to go and nobody judges you. And it will also really help you with your job, when you move forward. So I then got on the doggy phone and I called North Clwyd Animal Rescue Centre. And they were delighted to hear from me. I went down there and I would walk the dogs, see the dogs, give them some Marks and Spencer's doggy biscuits and things like that, spoil them. And I got so much pleasure out of it. It boosted my confidence because I learnt new skills. And I just felt amazing. I just really had a new leash of life. It was just, I can't tell you. Oh my God, it was amazing. And so not only have I now got my confidence, everything I did there has also helped my CV and my personal statement, so I've now actually got a really good job. And to top it all, I met Ralphie. And let me tell you, Ralphie is gorgeous. And he was one dog I really wanted to make sure I grabbed and rescued. So me and Ralphie are now dating. So not only have I got my confidence back, I've got a really good job, I'm going out with Ralphie, I've met the new love of my life, and I'm just so much more confident. So, my message to you guys and girls out there is to really think about doing something for like a voluntary organisation, helping a friend, doing something that you're not paid for, that will also give you some meaning in your life, but it really will make a difference to your confidence. So, good luck with that, guys, and I look forward to see you soon. Bye!